The Illinois River in Oklahoma is designated as a scenic river, and you can see why. The cool water runs through some of the state's most beautiful landscapes.
We don't have a whole lot of natural streams like this flowing around that we can go visit, let alone get on and float and enjoy like this.
I was just a kid the last time I floated down the river, so I thought it was time for my own daughter to experience it. Along for the ride, my friend Natalia and her kids. Illinois River Outfitters got us ready for the water, then loaded us up on a bus for a short trip to the riverbank.
Well, the Outfitters do a great job of getting people on the water and off the water and just making sure that they have an overall great experience.
The kids couldn't wait to get in.
The upper river here is about 60 miles you have of good water, and we're kind of on this stretch here, this one section that's really primed for floating, and brings thousands of people every year that come to do just that.
I love it. It's super hot, so it's a good way to cool off. It's a nice way to hang out with family.
With the boat in the water, we're ready to get going. Well, maybe. Pulling it off the shore was a little tricky. But eventually we were floating and, of course, letting the kids do all the work. I mean, paddling.
Uh-oh. Steer to the left. Looks like it.
Okay, now we can relax.
Paddle together, ready? Paddle. Stop. 1, 2, 3. These are going the wrong way.
Maybe not.
Most float trips, you know, ranging, you can go anywhere from about a 4-mile trip to a 6-mile trip, even much longer than that.
We did the shorter one, I think. We lost track of time, but we eventually figured it out and drifted along with the other floaters.
That's what draws a lot of people here. You know, there's not this rushed pace to try to get through this.
We definitely took our time, especially after we lost our crew. Time for them to cool off, I guess, so I'll give it a try.
If you get hot, you pull the canoe or the raft over to the side and you get in the water and you cool off for a while.
Which we did several times to eat and swim and just take in the beauty of the area.
Victor, don't lead too much.
And we're back on the move, leaving the river behind us. And yet another stop to swim. After several hours, we finally get to our landing, getting in the last looks of the river as we leave.
Whether you're local or whether you're from 2 or 3 states away, you get on the water, you're going to want to come back.
And while it's busiest in the summer, you can get in the water any time of year.
We really feel like this is a 4-season river. You know, you talk about the landscape and the scenery, there's probably no better place in Oklahoma to go see the fall foliage than right here along the Illinois River. So you want to come float in the fall, you know, even in the winter.
Maybe next time. In Tahlequah, Deanne Stein for Discover Oklahoma.
Here's how to find out more about this great Oklahoma destination. As always, travelok.com is your best one-stop shop for information about all Oklahoma has to offer. Please press like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.